Greetings, people of the world. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of January 2025, and I'm in the Grange estate in Ribbleton, witnessing the final demolition of one of the block of flats. Now I don't know if all these flats are being demolished, because there are quite a few of them. I doubt it. It's possibly only this block. We're going to go in for a closer look. Let's do it. I only found out about this the other day on Blog Preston. Something tells me I may have missed an opportunity to get inside one of these blocks. However, I doubt it, because for one, the place was heavily secured, and these days sites like this, with kind of the more clued up with urbexes, and when a building is earmarked for demolition, they tend to place these metal grills on the doors, so the chances are I wouldn't have got in anyway. I'm not sure if that block over there is going to be demolished. We'll have a look to see what the condition of it is, but check that. It's one of those dinosaurs again. Yes, it's one of those dinosaurs. Look at how it delicately tears away at the brickwork. It's almost like a parrot. They can bite really hard, yet nibble very gently. Probably not the best analogy. Let's zoom in on the roof. That looks interesting. If I can get through one of these gaps in the fence. Look at the way the roof still hangs down. Imagine getting in there. Okay, let's have a look round the other side. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Let's do it. I tell you what, it's bitterly cold today. Very cold. Check the steam coming out then. Probably not steam, it'll be cooling water or some kind of dust suppression. Let's continue around here. Yes, it's very cold today. My hands were freezing as I cycled up here, so I kept alternating, putting one hand in one pocket while holding the handlebars with the other, and then putting the other hand in the other pocket. You don't want to hear that. Let's continue around here. The garbage pile. There's loads of old settees and a TV stand. That's interesting. See, look what I mean. There would have been no way to get in anyway. This place was hyper secured, no doubt. Plus it's on a council estate, so there's a lot of, well, let's say, a lot of youths that would have loved to have got in. So that carries its own risks actually. Probably not the best place to be urbexing on a council estate. Hi, you okay? Is it alright to film? I'm just capturing something for the archives for the future.
Alright.
Wow, so is it only this block that's been demolished, or any other? Any other?
5 up now.
5?
Yeah.
Have 5 been demolished already?
This is the last one.
Wow, I didn't realise.
Yeah.
No way. Were they all secured like this with the metal grills on so no one could get in? Okay. Were you aware of anyone actually getting inside any of the buildings before they were demolished?
It could have been, mate, but
Right.
we do daily checks.
Yeah, okay.
So we check them before they get started.
That's cool. Wow. Hey, this is interesting. I want to continue up there. Thanks.
Yeah.
Cheers,
when
mate.
you come back round, just stay on this side.
For sure.
In case anything comes out.
No problem. Thanks a lot. Wow. So there you have it. I've actually missed 5 potential opportunities. But from what I gathered, this place had been heavily secured, and there's a school there. I won't film it. Yes, this place was heavily secured, and he said that there were daily checks. So, oh, what a shame though. But this is kind of reminiscent of a dream I had about a year or 2 ago, where I urbexed some abandoned buildings in this area. So that was kind of a false premonition, if you like. However, the question is, will that particular block be demolished by the weekend? Will there be an opportunity to get inside what's left of that block? I very much doubt it. In any case, it's interesting to see the aftermath of the demolition. Wait a second. Let's go over here. This building looks like it's been earmarked for demolition, hence the... oh no, it hasn't. Has it? No. No, it hasn't. Oh well. I thought they were metal grills on the inside, they're not, they're blinds. It's actually quite a large estate. I don't often venture up here. It is off the beaten track. It's quite a long way from where I live, so this was quite an epic bike ride, to be honest. From the other side of town. Let's go through here, through this park. Damn, if I had known about this earlier, I would have explored the possibility of trying to get in one. But as I keep saying, the chances of achieving such a result were pretty slim, with the high security and the metal grills on the windows. So I may come back at the weekend, because I very much doubt they'll be demolishing this on a Saturday, but you never know. And it's only Wednesday, so the whole thing might have gone by then. We'll see what happens. Let's film a little bit more of the demolition. And then we'll wrap this up. Well, you can't win them all. Wow. Reminds me a little bit of the opening sequence of the first Terminator movie. But I don't expect to see any balls of electric light appearing portals opening up with Arnold Schwarzenegger without any clothes coming through, which is probably not a bad thing really. What's this one doing? He just picked up a little bit of dust. It's probably collecting scrap metal. Let's focus on the bigger one. He's tidying up now. I don't know how much more of this you can watch really. I don't want to be here all day, so we'll end it there, I think. Let's go back. Okay. Yep. I think we'll call it a day there. I may be back at the weekend for an update. We'll see. If not, in any case, thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next exciting adventure. Bye for now.